Pope's intention for August for political leaders. This prayer underscores the responsibility of political leaders to serve their people by promoting integral human development and pursuing the common good. It emphasizes the importance of caring for marginalized groups, especially the poor and those affected by unemployment. Leaders are urged to emphasize policies and actions that uplift and empower all citizens, fostering a society where everyone can thrive. It calls for governance that is not only effective but also compassionate, reflecting a commitment to social justice and solidarity. Ultimately, it encourages leaders to work towards creating a fair and inclusive society where every individual's dignity and well-being are protected and enhanced.